right. DJ Easybeat, thank you very, very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't enter another segment of this wonderful show and every... I'm feeling myself, you know. I'm feeling myself on this swagger pit. You know, all right, so Easybeat, you already?
I don't already see.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this now the Koko.
When you see woman who you like, they just use the magic.
Hey! All right, Easybeat, all right. So that is the Koko. It's the Koko. Thank you. All right, the Koko. 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades of Grey. That movie don't they cause wahala now. Last time inside one cinema, now person pants they see. Why be saying that the pants they see? They don't see boy boxers. Boys they sharp. It's just a woo, boo. Finish.
They quick tidy up.
But you know, our sisters have to clean different plenty things. But now, for Bodo Igbo for that side, one other boy go by force. You know, say for the movie shows say you feel they use some kind of violence technique, take the form torchlighting. Now 16, oh, but many people they don't read the book, especially our girls them. Oh, they will tell you, oh, I love Grey. The guy named like Grey. Oh. So they say, oh, that guy. When they read the book, they imagine rubbish. They imagine saying, man, the guy just put them up, they just tie their hand, just tie their leg up. Whoa! You know, all those kind of torchlighting. We know normal. You say normal now, like this supposed to be, but guys have to do like this. You know, they do different things. Sometimes you feel put knife for your neck.
See what happen now?
See now the groove. And some of these are guests, we know they're okay. They don't know, say they know they're okay. Until you go read the book and they say, wow. Grey, I love him. They call it love rubbish. You can call me the boyfriend now. You can't go date girl, not read 50 Shades of Grey. Okay, and you never read down. She call the expire it from you.
You never expire it.
You understand? So, girl, you're looking, you are not a man. Because of novel, now they can't do the film now. So people don't get the visual now. Boys now don't go they watch the film, now they say, oh boy, so now so they take be now 1 year guy for Bodo Igbo. You just see this girl, they be classmates. Now by force. If you see violence, we take hold the girl. See the guy now, be like say the guy normal. He watched the movie, he turned to abnormality. Now go by force, torchlight the girl in a very violent manner. Chicago freshman, and they say they accuse them for using restraint and sexual violence without the woman's consent. May we be very, very careful onto this whole thing because you get how movies and movies, music, in fact, entertainment generally, they play very, very large role for our society. It go either make us better or make us worse. This movie that year, when they read the novel, we not say this thing not normal, but guy take the sweet. Now they don't go do the movie. My prayer be say, make everything not go spoil now. Make everything not go spoil now. You go see where wife look the husband. Johnny, please tie my hand. Tie me up now. If you go jam the wrong man, he go tie you like goat. Just go office, come back. You see there for that place. Now that you're going to see conversion is real. So please, make everybody very, very careful. If you watch the movie, watch out to say you learn 1 or 2 things. Not to go they try rubbish. Because that guy Grey, you know today okay. All right. Now, secondly, still onto the Koko of the day. Oh, drop it. Drop it.
Carry.
Okay, what's that?
Okay.
For the second Koko of the day, Easybeat, drop it.
With the Koko.
Oh, I'm in love with Koko. Koko yam or anything. All right, now, still based on this torchlighting issue. Person that they catch recently, he leave human being. He leave woman. He leave man self. Go there by force torchlight foul.
Oh yeah.
What is wrong with people in this world? What did they worry people for this life? See the poor fowl. Fowl they shop in own corn. Easy. On a good day, they shop in corn. The man hold out. And he don't born pikin. You know catch him? He pikin. He 10-year-old son. Say, Daddy, When the man they fought the shark.
Wow.
Foul eye don't red. Foul don't know when they shout. Help! They shout. Molebio! Anagayo! Who be this man? The boy,
I know go be fight back.
I want to fight back. The man don't hold on the leg. Hold on the feather. Pro! Jesus. What is wrong with people in this world? People don't craze finish. Some they do 50 shades of grey. Some they do foul own.
Foul shade of
Last
grey.
time you get what? I see one last time, a goat. He hold the horn.
That's good, yeah.
Aye. Some na horse. What is wrong with this world? Please, let us all come back to be civilized, please. The world, as it be like this, say the world goes so ahead. Because everything on the go, say, I think they talk this thing, and one of my guys, that's why they said, don't talk this, they say, if God said, look, the way the world don't take point now, he's supposed to go back to Sodom and Gomorrah and say, I'm sorry. Una not even bad, say. Una not bad. This generation, we terrible. Blagger. One day we all wake up, see your person just hold school. Rubbish talk. Okay, now then I go on the Koko of the day. But you get one other gist with day. Onto the Koko. That doctor 902, wait till they call
90210.
90210. The guy recently they take one picture. Him and some guys, all of them gathered together, say maybe they take picture. Now, for those of you who don't know who the guy be, now surgeon he be. Now one of the most celebrated surgeon for America. The guy be, you always put things for chicks. They won't try, add swagger to their ginger.
More flesh to their elbow.
The guy, very handsome doctor. Now they say me they take group picture. Now what that guy will stand here and just grab him for a generator. The guy don't know when he just throw and punch. Pow! Your father, you crazy. Now me they grab like this. What's strong about you? He punch only his eye for her like this. Give her elbow, give her gidigbo, give her summer slam. Say your daddy. Now me they grab. You understand? If the son that the girl with the near herself, if you won't grab herself, if I won't take her and say, okay, please just behave yourself. I'm married with 2 children.
But the doctor gets swag, sha.
Yeah, no, he gets. Now doctor will get too much swag. Now, guy, if they watch it in, now you know, say the guy gets swag. He get tattoo.
I'm telling you, man.
They even tattoo everywhere. He put diamonds for some kind of place. But that guy only, they say if you see beat away guitar, he say forget it because I find that this means say it is that they touch like the two sides.
Okay, they even happy.
The guy they happy now. No see smile in their face. He said, "Wow, I grabbed his crouch." I don't say after he just grabbed the thing.
Yeah.
Lights off.
Who's it like? Boom! Who take light? Who off light?
They don't flag juju or juju.
Who off light?
You gotta just flog you. You like say about crazy stuff. Easy beats, please. You get where play the rich. Not try me.
You?
See,
no.
Why do no like say if I catch you?
How?
Don't try me, please. Please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now here we go call every on top Koko of the day to a close, all right? And as I always do, easy bit, you not ready? I go throw the paper to you now.
So.
And you do a chest thing. You not ready now? All right, so guys, when they come back still on top of the late night show, we're gonna go our Twitter handle at W Late Night Show. We're gonna reach there, we're gonna give us the gist, how now feel about all of these particular gist we don't throw for ground on top of the Koko. All right, the one we talk about the guy they buy 4 torchlight chicken. How now see him? I mean, the one we hold the doctor for. How now take see the whole thing, or the particular guy we go watch 50 Shades of Grey. Come go try out everything on top in fellow woman. All right, at W Late Night Show, reach there, we're gonna follow us gist. After this break, we'll carry our first guest enter inside the building. We're not go anywhere, all right? When they come back.
When you see woman who you like, just use the magic word.